Looking for a safe and space-saving solution to reach your attic or storage area with confidence? The top 5 best telescopic ladder for loft can transform the way you access tight spaces without heavy, bulky equipment. Modern telescopic ladders offer portability, adjustable height, and strong stability, perfect for everyday home use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Soctone Telescopic Ladder for Loft. The Soctone Telescopic Ladder for Loft stands out as a highly stable, dependable, and user-friendly solution for homeowners and professionals who need safe access to elevated spaces. One of its most impressive enhancements is the addition of 2 triangular stabilizers, which drastically reduce wobble during use. After extensive testing, the shaking amplitude has been minimized from 30 degrees to only 10 degrees, improving overall stability by a remarkable 36% compared to many competing products. This gives users a firm sense of confidence, especially when working at height. The ladder prioritizes safety with smart locking pins that secure each segment firmly in place, ensuring smooth and controlled retraction, preventing sudden sliding or finger pinching. Its frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, a material known for its resistance to rust, corrosion, extreme temperatures, and general aging. This durability allows the ladder to reliably support up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for most household and outdoor users. Another practical advantage is its versatility, whether changing light bulbs indoors, accessing the attic, repairing roof tiles outside, or climbing into an RV. The ladder adapts to any scenario where height is needed. Portability is also a strong selling point. The retractable design paired with a fixed belt makes it extremely easy to carry. When folded, it can be placed in a car trunk or tucked neatly in a corner, requiring far less space than traditional ladders. Number 2. BOCOM Telescopic Ladder for Loft. The BOCOM Telescopic Ladder for Loft has quickly become a popular option for users seeking a safer, more durable, and space-efficient ladder for home and professional work. Its standout feature is the upgraded reduced wobble design, which integrates 2 new triangular stabilizers that minimize shaking from 30 degrees down to only 10 degrees. This results in a 36% boost in stability over comparable models, giving users confidence during overhead work. The ladder frame is made with a larger diameter aluminum alloy tube, ensuring remarkable structural strength and resistance to deformation while extended. The reinforced nylon fiber plastic components also contribute to its long-term durability and ability to support up to 330 pounds. Safety considerations are clearly evident in the BOCOM ladder. With adjustable locking mechanisms, height can be extended in 1-foot increments, while textured steps and anti-slip feet provide secure footing on many surfaces. The design encourages safe climbing across multiple indoor and outdoor applications. In addition, portability and space saving are significant benefits. The ladder is lightweight, fitted with an ergonomic handle and Velcro carrying strap, making it easy to move from one work location to another. When fully collapsed, it can be stored behind cabinets, under beds, or inside a vehicle trunk without consuming valuable space. Number 3. VEVOR Telescopic Ladder for Loft. The VEVOR Telescopic Ladder for Loft impresses with its superior load-bearing strength, user comfort, and versatile adaptability, making it a highly trusted choice for both residential and commercial settings. Constructed with robust aluminum reinforced by durable nylon connectors, this ladder offers a rugged build that supports up to 375 pounds, greater than the capacity of many competitors. This ensures safe use even for users carrying tools or equipment while climbing. One of its most distinctive features is the widened rung design. With steps measuring 1.56 inches in width, users experience far more stable footing and reduced leg fatigue, promoting comfort during prolonged projects. The ladder functions using a multi-key folding mechanism, allowing each level to lock independently. This design gives users precision control over working height, enabling simple adjustments based on project needs. Practicality is another area where the VEVOR ladder excels. Despite its extended height of 16.4 feet, it remains lightweight and easy to transport, demonstrating the advantage of aluminum alloy over heavier alternatives. When collapsed to its compact 3-foot height, it fits neatly in garages, closets, or storage corners without cluttering living spaces. The ladder is highly suitable for a wide range of tasks such as attic access, ceiling maintenance, interior painting, roof inspection, outdoor repairs, and even commercial trade work. Users benefit from a combination of height flexibility, easy transport, and reliable strength. The VEVOR telescopic ladder for loft is ideal for those who want a comfortable and heavy-duty ladder that focuses on enhanced safety and convenience. Number 4. ARCHOM telescopic ladder for loft. The ARCHOM telescopic ladder for loft differentiates itself with thoughtful safety enhancements, reliable construction, and compact storage capability. One of its most appealing additions is the inclusion of detachable hooks located at the top of the ladder. These hooks provide extra grip and security when climbing, especially useful when leaning the ladder against edges, loft openings, or roof surfaces. For indoor use, the hooks can be rotated to function effectively, and when not needed they can be removed to conserve storage space. Durability plays a major role in the ladder's build quality. Manufactured from high-strength and high-hardness aluminum alloy, is resistant to wear, oxidation, and general aging. Its surface has been treated professionally to extend lifespan, and the ladder is certified to the EN 131 safety standard, giving users reassurance of safe performance. Stability is reinforced further with non-slip bottom feet that improve grip on flooring and reduce sliding risk while supporting up to 330 pounds. Despite its strength, the ladder remains highly portable thanks to its collapsible and belt-secured design. Measuring just 19 by 29 inches when folded, it can be placed in vehicle trunks or tight household corners without hassle. The ladder's adjustable height range, from 29 inches to 8.5 feet, makes it suitable for varied uses, whether accessing the attic, performing minor DIY projects, painting, or working outdoors. Its lightweight design also makes it a practical choice for RV owners who need a compact ladder while traveling. Number 5. BOWEITI telescopic ladder for loft. The BOWEITI telescopic ladder for loft is designed for users who want high material quality, excellent load capacity, and personalized height adjustment. Built from high-quality aluminum alloy with nylon fiber reinforced plastic components, the ladder offers impressive resistance to aging, corrosion, and structural stress. The oxidized aluminum finish enhances longevity, ensuring that the ladder remains a long-term investment for home maintenance, DIY projects, and outdoor applications. Supporting up to 330 pounds, the BOWEITI ladder is built with stability as a priority. Its professionally engineered structure helps eliminate unnecessary shaking while climbing, while the telescopic mechanism allows users to quickly adjust the height to fit their needs. Each time the ladder locks into place, an audible click confirms secure engagement, giving users peace of mind when working overhead. Ease of transport is another benefit of the ladder. The foldable design includes a storage belt and a carrying handle, enabling users to move it effortlessly from place to place. Because of its compact folded size, the ladder can be stored behind doors in closets, vehicles, garages, or even suitcases without consuming much room. The ladder also features thickened pedals and a non-slip cap engraved with deep stripes, ensuring strong traction and preventing missteps. With a height range from 3.5 feet to 15.5 feet, the BOWEITI ladder caters to numerous household and outdoor uses, from cleaning windows to painting walls, climbing trees, or accessing attic entrances. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.